Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui and I'm making this video in response to one of my YouTube channel viewers who asked how to find out what's the firmware version or software version on a 3M XT1 drive-through intercom base station. So this is what we are learning today. This is very simple and here's how we do it. So this is the base station. You don't have to open the screws or take the panel out. You could just by entering the password you can find out what the version of the firmware is. And here's how we do it. First you need to enter the installer mode, which is you enter the password mode 1 2 3 4 5. So I entered mode and then 1 2 3 4 5. Then push this twice, 3 times and 4 times. Once you push it the 4th time, you get all the system menus. Now you have to go all the way down to the right column. So come to the right one where it says registration, it has been highlighted, and then go down. Keep going down all the way to the last one, which is revision levels, which is menu item number 18. Then hit enter. When you hit enter, so the revision levels will tell you the software version, which is 0.5.2.0, the serial number, the hardware ID, which is 3.1, and the hardware serial number. And the in order to exit, you press mode to exit from this menu. So I simply press mode and voila, I'm out, and now I know exactly which version of software is in this base station. Now, for some of you who probably ask, who cares what the version is? The reason it's important, it's customization and headset compatibility depends on what version of the firmware is installed in the base station. And obviously, every time the version is upgraded, they fix some of the bugs and some of the radio noise and intercom communication and whatnot. Okay, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.